it's time to do some work in my nightshade bushes. Cut off all the berries so that they don't fall and give me a whole bunch more. Touch the beat. So now that I have this trimmed up all nice, you can see I left lots for the bees to continue enjoying because they really do love this. But now where I sit in the gazebo, this is cleared out again so I can watch the birds when they're here. And I've taken off all the berries, so no more surprise baby plants coming up. Blue jay friends who come to visit me. So, I'm gonna leave them some peanuts. Squirrels might also come for this, and they're just roasted, unsalted peanuts in the shell. And now, from my seat in the gazebo, I have the perfect view to watch for any birds who come to use the bird bath.